In today's video, I'm helping designers get their click-through rate above average by designing and redesigning thumbnails for content creators that are around my size. I personally started to do a series like this, that way I could help out fellow content creators who either can't afford a graphic designer or can't even afford Photoshop or Canva. I also want to give back to communities, and you never know, maybe that one thumbnail I can make for somebody can really help boost maybe their retention rate, their click-through rate, or maybe it can bump their subscribers. Another reason why I'm doing this is I really like to give back. It's just like how I am, I guess. Like I really like to help anyone out when and wherever I can, whether it comes down to graphic design, in person, really anything. And it kind of just makes me feel good. It's like kind of giving away, like, I wouldn't say great graphics, but you know, good graphics to where it can really help out a video if it needs it. But for the first thumbnail, it was really easy. The guy said he basically was going to make a video on XP farming and creative on Fortnite. So I was like, okay, I got you. And I got straight to work. First things first is I always look at what the competition posts, because that kind of tells me where the strategies are for that type of thumbnail. And then after that, I head straight over to Photoshop and started to get a little bit more of a mood board and my assets together. And then I started to create. Coming off, I started with the renders that I wanted. Now I got these renders from a design Discord. I don't know who made them. If you guys know, credit to them, but I don't know who made them for sure. And then once I got all my renders set and ready to go and my assets and everything was good to go, I started to kind of mess around with the background a bit. I just got some random volcano from one of the maps way back when and just stuck that in the background and blurred it. And then right away I knew like pink and yellow would like look really good contrasted together. So I got straight to work on that. First things first is I just did the stars in the background. The bigger they were, the more blurred they are, because obviously that's the closer they are. And just started working with that. I worked on the glows on the renders a little and on the stars. And then I made sure all the text was correct and basically how Fortnite is. And honestly, that really made this thumbnail really easy for me because it wasn't too hard. All it was a little bit of glows, a little bit of text, and the renders kind of carry. So it was pretty easy for this thumbnail. Now for the F1 thumbnail, it was pretty unique. I've never really done anything when it comes to like racing cars and stuff like that. I don't even watch F1 or any type of car racing like that, so I have no idea. But this one I definitely had to look on YouTube for to see what content creators were putting out for thumbnails, because I honestly had no idea about this one. Mostly the thumbnails were just gameplay and stuff like that, and I thought that was pretty easy enough. So I kind of wanted to stick to that, so I just grabbed a background right off the rip from the web, from Google, and then right away I got to work. I put on the logo, I added some text and glows, and that was really it for this thumbnail. It was not too complex at all because of the competition there is within the thumbnail game for the F1 games. So I kind of just messed around with some glows, put in the logo. I added a couple sparks just to make it pop like a little more. Like obviously those were totally not needed, but I just did it anyways just so I could have it pop. And that was really it for this thumbnail. Like it didn't take that long. I was really happy with how it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoy watching me help content creators push out their thumbnail game, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe because it really helps a lot. I post 1 long form a week and 5 shorts every week. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me redesign content creators' thumbnails, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.